whispers through the night, carries a promise, soft and bright. Empty spaces in the heart I roam, searching for a place to call my home. Shadows linger from a fading past, but a quiet longing meant to last. A flicker starts, a tiny fragile flame, whispering a sweet and hopeful name. Oh, I hope for love, a tender, warm embrace, a gentle touch that finds its rightful place. And I hope for happiness, a sunlit, joyful day to chase the clouds and wash the tears away. With every beat, a brand new start I see, hope for love and happiness for me. Through silent wishes and the stars above, I send my dreams, a silent plea for love. No longer bound by fears I used to keep. My weary soul prepares to rise from sleep. The world outside